I'm super excited to be trying out for the very first time the Shark StainStriker. This thing is a beauty. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it, and I'm actually going to do a demo in a few seconds with Ketchup. Yes, Ketchup right on this rug. So this is going to be interesting. This is the HairPro. So the StainStriker, yes, so super powerful on stains, is able to extract that with these brushes and that water and that solution. But it's also great for hair. So if you have pets, we know hair gets everywhere. Hair is super hard to extract from carpets and things like that, and maybe couches and in your car. This machine does it all. So we're gonna do that test right now. I wanna show you a little bit of how this thing works and what it comes with. So this hose is literally always attached to the machine. So this is not a removable hose. Really strong hose, and this is where the magic happens, because you're gonna have a trigger button here with that solution mixed with the water, being able to be propelled from this little kind of gun vacuum, and then water out goes inside of that carpet and then gets sucked in from the vacuum top. So you will have different setups here. This one here is the StainStriker, the smaller one, and you've got the bigger one right here, all with Pet Pro, again, because of the hair, attachments, meaning this here is so good. When you're doing this, it's not just for the stains, it's great for the hair. Grabs all that hair out of that carpet. But the best thing, I think, is the fact that I've seen and I've tried other brands and they never were able to figure this out. Why don't you just make sure that I'm able to remove this so I can clean it? And not only clean this, but be able to clean the inside of the vacuum as well. You can do that with this, and it's so easy to use, so easy to just install, boom, back, and you're good to go. I think that's fantastic. Now, let's talk about the unit itself, because it's a super powerful vacuum, and it's got something that some other ones do not have. So yes, you do have your basin where all that dirty water is gonna get. You're gonna see that in just a few. So, love the fact that there is filtration systems like this one right here. So you do have that filter that also, if there's any hairs that were not caught from here, basically that were sucked in, it's not going to clog up your machine because you do have filter system as well. So that's a nice thing to have. And then on this side, we are all accustomed to seeing these machines that have that water and solution basin. So that's great. So we're gonna have that right here, and that gets installed, zero issues here. But the StainStriker does something a little bit different. They add a secondary solution, the Oxy solution. So it's for OxyClean. This one here is called the Oxy Multiplier, and it is included, both solutions are included. So the solution, the first one right here, you dilute with water, and this solution right here is pure. So it's not going to use it all in one little stain, it's just gonna sporadically use it when needed. So this is a great little add-on. We're going to put that right there and lock that in place. So now we are good to go. There is nothing else I need to show you. There's only one button for this thing to turn on or off. So that's a great thing to have. Now, I'm gonna try the small one first. We're gonna add some ketchup. This is something I've never done. Oh boy. So a lot of people watching this are gonna go, well, this is basically just a fresh stain. Well, let's actually try to embed it a bit more, right? Oh, this is so gross. I'm looking forward to cleaning this thing, actually. Woo! Okay, so as soon as I turn it on, the vacuum starts, but the jet does not propel any water, right? So I need to trigger that. So we're gonna just douse the area first, and then we're gonna try a couple passes, see how it does. So, go. We're gonna get that, there we go. You see that jet? So it's coming right out of here. All right, let's try it. We're gonna do more passes. That's taking the bulk of it. Now we're gonna go really douse that thing. Oh, it smells wonderful too. That's awesome. All right, let's go. Let's do our thing here. Let me just change positions. This is what I like to do. Look at all that water coming in. I use the trigger as I'm moving in and out of that stain, right? And obviously, the more you give those passes, the better it works. And look at that. Oh, that is impressive. And the great thing with this too, and I'm gonna turn it off, the great thing with this too is because it's vacuuming so much water at the same time, it's not letting the water sit and stay there. So right now, it doesn't smell like ketchup, I can tell you that. It smells freaking-tastic, so nice. It is a little damp, but it's not wet. So that's what I love about this. So now I'm gonna do a couple more passes, only a couple more passes to make sure that that wetness is gone. But look, stain, goodbye. So right now you can see the water, I'm not putting any more water in, and it's still extracting all that extra dampness. And the stain is gone. Look at that water. That's that ketchup water right there with that solution. It works every time with a new stain, with an old stain, in any type of carpet or fabric that you may find. Whether you use the small one or for bigger surfaces, you've got the big one right here. And you can also, for spot cleaning, use the little tiny one. That's pretty cool. But yeah, the StainStriker definitely will follow me everywhere.